Page 39. Tools for car maintenance. 1. Wrench. This is the main tool for repairing the engine and machinery. It is used for loosening nuts and bolts. Select it suitably for the job for convenience, rapidity, and safety. A wrench can be classified according to shape and function as follows. 1.1. Open wrench. This wrench is suitable for confined areas requiring little force because the wrench contacts the nut or bolt on only two sides. 1.2. Socket wrench. It is used for general purpose. One wrench consists of two sides. The wrench head has 12 angles, making it able to tighten a nut or bolt firmly. It allows more force than an open wrench. Page 40. 1.3. Block wrench. This wrench is used for joints and is handled in many ways. It allows intensive force to tighten firmly. The short type is used for general purpose. The long type is mainly used for loosening spark plugs. 1.4. Wrench joint. The joint is used to connect the block wrench with the handle appropriate to the job. For example, soft joint, for an angle adjustable job. Short hard joint, for a not very deep job and for general purpose. Stiff joints, long. Long hard joint, for deep jobs such as wrenching a spark plug. 1.5. Handle. Normal handle. Used for general purpose, able to adjust the length. Angle adjustable handle. Used for wrenching jobs with angle not equal to 90 degrees. This handle is foldable. Page 41. 1.6. Ratchet handle. It helps in tightening or loosening quickly. There are direction adjustable types and drill handle types. It is used for quick wrenching jobs that do not need much force. Normally, it is used to tighten to a certain level and then replaced with another type of handle. When loosening, it needs another type of handle to loosen first. 1.7. Torque wrench. It is used to wrench nuts or bolts that require equal twisting force, such as a cylinder head, bearing, flywheel, etc. 1.8. Adjustable wrench. This is a spare wrench. It is used when other wrenches are inapplicable because its size is adjustable. It is used for a job requiring not much force. Page 42. 2. Screwdriver. It is used for tightening or loosening a screw. It consists of two types, including the flat screwdriver, used for flat head screws, and the Phillips screwdriver, used for Phillips head screws. A. How a screwdriver should fit the screw slot. B. Poor fit damages screwdriver screw slot. Bit, handle, shank. 3. Pliers. 3.1. Long nose pliers used to pinch in a confined area. 3.2. Cutting pliers used to cut cable, wire, and small lines. 3.3. Lock pliers used to hold work tightly. It can replace a wrench. Its size is adjustable by turning the strand at its handle. Page 43. 4. Hammer. Used for pounding during assembly or dismantling. 4.1. Round head hammer. Used for common pounding work such as guiding nails, riveting, chiseling, etc. 4.2. Brass hammer. Used to tap work that does not want to be distorted, such as tap incoming outgoing work. 4.3. Plastic hammer. Used to pound during assembly and dismantling. 4.4. Rubber hammer. used to pound when assembling sensitive components such as aluminium. Page 44. 5. Jack. Used to lift the car in order to check or repair the suspension or replace a tire. 5.1. Car jack. It is small. Used to replace a tire when leaking or damaged. 5.2. Floor jack. Its size ranges from medium to large. It is used to lift the car in a repair shop when needing to check and repair suspension. 6. Stand. Used to support the car's weight after lifting the car by jack for safety when repairing suspension. Instructions. Use the jack to lift the car. Then use 2 or 4 stands to support appropriately. After that, remove the jack, allowing the car's weight to fall on the stands. Try to balance the weight falling on each stand. 7. Wheel tightening wrench. This wrench is used to tighten or loosen a wheel's nuts, to replace the tire. However, when replacing in the factory, a block wrench can be used. Page 45. Example area for car service. 1. Storage cupboard. Make sure the cupboard is placed so that you can reach into it with ease. Fit a lock to keep expensive tools secure. 2. Power point. 3. Compressor. A compressor is essential if you plan to use a spray gun or pneumatic workshop tools. The compressor must be located close to a power point. 4. Cleaning unit. Used for degreasing components ready for inspection or fitting. 5. Door. Hooks on the back of the door provide hanging space for overalls, coats, and hand towels. Page 46. 6. Extinguisher. Keep a fire extinguisher handy in case of emergency. 7. Vise. 8. Workbench. Choose a good sturdy workbench with enough room to carry a vise, pillar drill, or bench grinder. 9. Pillar drill. 10. Double power point. 11. Storage bin. Use the bins to keep small items in such as spare parts and bolts, nuts, and washers. 12. Bench grinder. 13. Waste bin. Essential to keep rubbish off the floor and away from the workbench. 14. Tool board. Provides storage space for larger tools and allows easy identification and access. 15. Power. At least one double power point is essential in the area of the workbench. 16. Heavy-duty shelving. Keep shelving for storing larger items to the rear of the garage away from the main working area. Vocabulary. Lubricant. Deteriorate. Exhaust. Wrench. Pliers. Jack.